This is your boy Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another exciting unboxing today. Today we have the OnePlus Pad 3. It just came out. I just got it in the mail, and today we're going to show you what's in the package, what kind of good deals that I got with it, and you can currently still get. We are going to unbox it right now. But before we do that, please like, subscribe to this channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the support. But without further ado, here's the package. Got it today, and I am so excited. This is the third generation of their pad or their tablets, and this is going to be a doozy. We'll see if this tablet is a lot better than the the OnePlus Pad 2, or is it just kind of the same and just a different year? We're going to do the full review later, but today we're just going to unbox and look at the craftsmanship that OnePlus does, and usually they do a great job. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I got the bubble wrap here. So I got two gifts. So one is the OnePlus Pad 3 folio case. So this is only for the OnePlus Pad 3. I want to say iPad so bad, but I'm not going to do that. And then here we go. We have the OnePlus Pad 3 Smart Keyboard. I like this obsidian color. I think it's gray, but we're gonna unbox it and put it together and show you later. And then as you can see, we have the actual unit here. The OnePlus Pad 3. All right, so now that we have everything unboxed from the package, from the post office, let's talk about the prices of this. So right now you can get this on the website for $699. They are currently featuring a deal where you can get the smart keyboard and you can get the folio case. The folio case is $49.99. The smart keyboard is $199. But you can get these two items for free if you pre-order or order currently right now. So I just wanted to get that out the way, but without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Now, everything is pretty much covered in wrap. Let's see, I got a pin here. So usually I would have a box cutter, but today we're going to use the pen because the pen is mightier than the sword, they say. So one thing about OnePlus that you're going to get is a white and red box, and the package is going to look immaculate just like this. So this model I got is the 12 gigabyte, 256 gigs. You can get more storage. Obviously, you're gonna have to pay more if they do have an alternative, which they don't. So you can't get anything but the 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So let's go ahead and take this apart here. All right. And here it is. So this is called Storm Blue. That's why it has like a blue hue to it. Uh-oh. Let's go ahead and look at and gaze in its beauty. So that is the actual tablet. Let's see what else we get. What info? We get a SuperVOOC charging brick. And then we get the cable, the patented red cable. We got a little booklet here. Doesn't have much but the safety features and blah, blah, blah. All of the quick guides so you can help set up. But I mean, I'm pretty savvy, so I really don't need that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see if we have any juice. Now, right away, this is beautiful. Now, as you can see, right out the box, I mean, you can just push the button and it's already ready. I really like that about OnePlus. They don't play no games when it comes to your package. All right, now that it's unboxed, let's go ahead and talk about some of the specs of this. So this was released earlier in this year. It was announced in June earlier this year, and pre-orders started, and I just got it as I mentioned before. So the dimensions of this is 289 by 209 by 6 millimeters, and it weighs about 675 grams, or about 1.5 pounds. It has a glass front, it has an aluminum frame, It has an aluminum back, so it doesn't have any SIM card ejectors anywhere, but it does have stylus support. So you will get that with this. Now the display is an IPS LCD, so that's a little bit of a bummer. It's not OLED like some of the newer tablets out there. It has Dolby Vision, 144 hertz refresh rate, 900 nits of peak brightness. It has a 2,400 by 3,392 pixels. So the size overall across the board is 13.2 inches. So you got a nice little viewing window here. So it does feature the latest Android 15 or ColorOS, depending on your region. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. So it's got the high processing chip there. So the internals, it has a 256 gigs storage, and it goes up to 512, but in the United States, you don't get 512, you only get 256 with the max RAM of 12, but you do overseas can get the 16 gigs of RAM. So, you know, bummer there, but it is what it is. You know, I don't think they thought it was profitable to do that here. So that's probably the reason why you only getting 12 gigs of RAM here. It has a single 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, a color spectrum sensor. It does shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second. It has an internal selfie camera, which is 8 megapixels. It has loudspeakers around it. So I counted maybe 8 altogether on the bottom here. So it has the accelerometer, proximity, the gyro, compass sensors. It has a 12,140 milliamp battery, and it's an 80 watt wired charging. So that's pretty cool. And it comes in this one color. So just keep that in mind. Now, my first impressions of this is, I mean, I do see a little bit of the glass causing a lot of the glare. And I think if they would have went with a more higher powered or OLED display, it would cost a little bit more. So I understand that. But when I test this and when I use this on my day-to-day or just, you know, at home watching entertainment and content, I think I'm going to not necessarily care about it as much, because OnePlus usually is great when it comes to their phones not necessarily having the absolute best specs out there, even though they give you the most robust specs. And this is like one of my favorite phones that came out this year, the OnePlus 13. So I'm just gonna take their word for it. I'm wearing the OnePlus Watch 3. So I'm just gonna take their word for it that this is gonna be a great experience. They're coming out with great product. This is the power bank that they came out this year. I used the SuperVOOC Air wireless charging, 50 watts right here. So OnePlus, I'm going to give you a shot. All right, thank you. Now let's talk about the smart keyboard. So I've unboxed it. Let's go ahead and see what is in the package. And as you can see, I already have it wrapped up on the OnePlus Pad 3. Now you can get this on the website for $199, or if you order the OnePlus Pad 3, you can get it for free. So just keep that in mind. So as you can see, it has like this nice little TPU material around here, and it's flush, so you're not gonna get any overages. It has a nice finish, so it's not rough, and it's not one of those that's gonna get dirty because of this nice storm gray color, storm blue or whatever. And let's go ahead and open the package, shall we? So as you can see, it opens up. The back stand is here, so it's about 90 degrees in there, the back stand coverage. So you can even go really, really small and it still holds up, and you can just type it as if you're typing on a normal laptop. So they're making it much more harder for you to keep your laptop, because they're going to give you a nice little versatile iPad. Now the typing, let's see what it sounds like. Very nice. It has like a nice, storm gray finish on the keys, and it has the navy storm gray right here, which is really nice. Let's hear the click of the iPad. Now, one thing I like about this keyboard and their mouse pad is that it has a nice wide coverage here, so it's not small, and it has a nice click haptic, so you can really enjoy that while you are in your typing mode. And let's see if there's anything else I wanted to talk about. Oh yes, so you can detach it, and this is how you put it on. So on the back it has the 3 magnets here, and you're probably wondering why does it have a flap right here, and I'm gonna tell you in a second what that's about. But all you gotta do is just match the 3 magnets, and boom, they're together like peanut butter and jelly. There you go. Now, as I mentioned before, if you just take it off of its connection here, the physical connection, I have the back stand right here, you have a Bluetooth wireless keyboard. So you can go ahead and type, and you can use the mouse and all of the functions just like that. If you don't feel like, having it in your lap and having a little shakeage and having a hard time, clicking and over clicking, you can use this separate, which is really cool. You could have done this with the other variations of keyboard stands and things like that out there, but OnePlus intentionally left this flap right here to help with that. The intentionality was met with this keyboard. This is truly a smart keyboard, so just keep that in mind whenever you are playing with your smart keyboard. This is amazing, an excellent $200 gift. Let's go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is the Folio. All right, the next case we have is the Folio case. Now, this one is not the keyboard like the smart one we showed before. This one is just your casual coverage protected case. And this one is $49.99 on the website. But once again, you can get this for free if you order the OnePlus Pad 3 right now. Now, this thing is very versatile. So they give you instructions on the different modes that you can use. So we're gonna go through those real quick just to show you what you're working with. So the first one is the on-the-go mode. So when you're on the go, it's gonna be closed. Whoops, there it is. And as you can see, it has this distinct pattern here to help fold it in an origami style, whatever view that they suggest on the setup and usage. So the first one we're gonna go by is the graffiti mode. Now, this is more so for artists and artistry. So you're just gonna fold it up like a triangle, and you're gonna roll it over, and you have yourself graffiti mode because it is stylus adaptable. And the reader mode, which is all you have to do is turn it to where the diamond is pointing your way, and that is reader mode. And you can see the diamond shape here. The next mode is a little complicated to mess with the origami style, but it's this movie mode. So all you have to do with this is bring these two together as such and fold it almost like a paper plane. So this is what it's gonna look like. Now, this is movie mode, where you can see the movies and everything is nice and cool. So nice and cool. And then if you want to look at portrait reader mode, you just do like this, and there it is. And it still looks like a paper plane from the side when you pinch the two together. So a lot of flexibility and adaptability with this Folio case that you can get on OnePlus's website right now for $49.99, or you can get it for free if you order the OnePlus Pad 3. All right, guys, tell me how we're feeling. Are you picking up the OnePlus Pad 3? I have it in my hand, and I can't wait to dig in and look at some videos, type a few papers, or type some more scripts for videos. But this is going to be really exciting, and I have a good feeling that OnePlus hit it out the park with OnePlus Pad 3. But stay tuned. I'm going to give you the full details within the week, and you shall know if this is truly worth $699, along with the additional $250 worth of free cases that are really cool. So stay tuned. This is Juleon with Juleon Tech Reviews. Peace.